Okay, today I am going to update on my air conditioner, which is I refilled it this last year, and I'm gonna take a measurement this time. I didn't really make an update on it afterward, but I'm gonna update it now with my measuring my temp, which is 59 degree up here, right up there. It's about 50, depending on where I'm at. Like right there is like 57 degree. Here it says I'm at 70 right there, but if I do it here, it's about 80, 70 right there, although that's measured at the temperature. In here it's 78. It's about 78 there. In there, 77, 79 right there. But as you can see, when it's up here or inside here, it's like 56 degree in there right there. 56 degree, 57, 55 right there. So you can tell it's pretty cold. As for this has been working. This is my second year using it, and from there, let's see, it's still like 70 something here in the room, like right there on that board right there. It's 76 degree. Down here 77. So you can tell the piece of wood, it's 80 degree right there, 79 degree, 78 degree. So it's about 79, 80 degree here, but in here, like right in this corner right there, it's only 56, 55 if you can see right there. So you can tell that after refilling the R134, you can see the air temperature coming in is about 77 over here, but coming out like right there, it's 56 degrees. So it's pretty cold. If I take this apart, it's actually, you can see it's frozen. Anyway, that's an update on it. I hope that this will help you.